of Allah be upon you. إلهي كن على ترامو نعرض دالك هو ناضي. Why is مريحان الله ينسى? Why you killing مريحان tribe? Why you attacking and killing مريحان tribe? Taram, why you killing them? Stop! Stop! And I am telling American soldiers, an American Navy, an American Air Force to stop attacking Marihan tribe. We don't accept that. We are a great tribe. We know how to fight. And we don't want to become enemies for America and the American people. No! Stop attacking Marihan tribe. America, stop! Don't listen to Ahmed Madobe. He's a terrorist. He's Al-Shabaab. He's Al-Qaeda. أرمان نجي إن الله ينير هدي لا يكود معي ديار الجوير يا مريحان ألو بابين يا ألو حسوق يا مو حسن داون كرنا هدي لا يكود معي. No, we do not accept that anymore.